Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Bern para sa panibagong kaalaman dito sa aking channel na Bern to be you. And bago lahat, pag-uusapan natin ang isa na namang episode. Bakit nga ba maraming mga stock trader o stock investor ang nalulugi sa stock money? How these people lost their money? So yan ang pag-uusapan natin dito sa Bern to be you. So yun na nga guys, we're going to talk bakit nga ba maraming mga Pilipino, maraming mga traders and investment ang nalulugi dito sa stock market. So siguro hindi naman kaila na ang stock market ay sobrang volatile, sobrang magalaw at maraming tao ang nalulugi dito sa pag-invest at pag-trade ng stock market. Pero bago natin pagpatuloy yan, I encourage you to hit that like button, subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga videong ina-upload ko. So bago nga pala, ako nga pala si Bern, isang stock market investor, trader at isang registered financial planner. So yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So handa ka na ba? So yun na nga, ano nga ba yung mga dahilan kung bakit maraming mga traders and investor lost money? And to be honest with you, I never met a single trader or investor that never experience losing money in stock market. It's either paper loss or real loss. So baka ikaw lang naman, hindi mo pa na-experience malugi, ikaw na. But to be honest, losing money in stock market is part of the game. Remember that, losing money in stock market is part of the game. What? But today, we're going to talk bakit nga ba maraming nalulugi. Isa-isahin natin ang mga dahilan. Number 1 is no trading plan. Sabi nga, nobody plan to fail, but people fail to plan. So wala naman talagang taong gustong malugi o mag-fail. Pero ang problema, they never plan para maiwasan sana ang pagkalugi. And in short, no trading plan sila. So, in doing stock market trading, you must have the trading plan, not during the market hours. Before the market trade open, kailangan may plan ka na. Anong stocks ang bibilhin mo? How much money you are targeting? What is your target price? And how much is your cutting loss? Saan ka dapat mag-buy kapag ka nalugi ka? Because people don't have the plan. Instead of being logical, they become more emotional. And because they are emotional, pinipilit nila yon that they justify their emotion by being logical. So, be honest, stock market is more on logic, not on emotions. So, yan yung isang dahilan. The traders fail to plan. No trading plan at all. Pangalawang dahilan is overtrade. I know a lot of people na everyday trade 3 to 5 times a day. So parang, why do you need to? So, you don't need to trade kung hindi naman talaga valid. And there are some instances, or most of the instances, you don't need to trade or you don't need to hold any portfolio. Because having no portfolio at all is also a good position. Having no position is the best position in some instances. So, huwag ka masyadong overtrade. Kasi kapag overtrade ka, hindi ka kumikita. Alam mo ang kumikita dyan, yung broker mo. And during the trading, your broker doesn't have any concern. Wala silang concern if you earn money, if you lost money. But the moment you sell it, and you buy it, they get commission. So, ang tanong, kung masyado kang overtrade, magkano lang naman kikitain mo? So, you need to plan. And even if you are a short-term trader or day trader, I know a lot of day trade. They hold this one, they buy today, They hold it in a few days, then they sell. So, hindi pwedeng the same day nagbabuy and sell ka. It's okay, pero wala ka namang position sigurong ganong kalaki. Unless you play the pump and dump. So, hindi naman siguro. The third reason is short term. Napaka-short term nga ng hinahawaan. You know, stock market, I believe in stock market. This is my own opinion of stock market. All stocks, magka-tataas yan in his perfect time. Sa tamang panahon kapag ka nag-evolve, kapag nagkaroon talaga ng magandang fundamentals. So, kailangan aralin mo. And buying in stock market, you must understand kaano ka katagal sa stock market. What type of personality you have? Are you a short-term trader? And when you say short-term trader, ano ba yan? Weekly ka ba? Monthly ka ba? Day trade ka? And if you're day trade, are you swing trader? Momentum trader? Kailangan you know your personality. At kung long-term ka naman, you must buy stocks that fit for your personality. Hindi kasi lahat kailangan mo rin sabayan. And again, related din naman to sa mga una nating dahilan kung bakit may mga hindi nalulugi. Bakit? Kasi nga, natigilan ako. May ingay sa likod. Naririnig nyo ba? Nagsasala in a Muslim country they are praying. Okay, balik tayo. Because, kaya pagka masyado kang mabilis, you did not hit the bottom and did not maximize the profit. So, yun yung masyadong disadvantage kapag very short term ka. So, you cannot buy on dip, as in super deep, and you cannot maximize your profit. So, make your plan in not too much short term, not very short as in sa isang araw buy and sell ka. At pang-apat na dahilan, maybe you will surprise, not taking money.
Oh my God!
Not taking profit. Not taking profit. I mean, people don't sell even they have a profit. Or vice versa, they also don't know how to cut losses. So, they don't know how to take profit. At the same time, they don't know how to cut losses. As I mentioned earlier, ang stock market is more on an logical. You must have your plan. If you know where to cut loss, then cut loss. Follow your strategic plan. And if you know you hit that target price mo and you have so many selling signal, sell, take profit. And of course, there's so many strategy. Kailangan lang matuto kang mag-buy and sell. So, medyo confusing yon kung baguhan ka. But during practice and regular trade, you will get what I mean. Because if you don't know how to take profit, mawawala yan. And alam mo ba bakit nawawala o hindi nagtitake ng profit ng mga traders? Because of greed.
So weird.
And why people don't know how to cut losses? Because of hope. So, naniniwala sila na kahit ipit na sila, tataas to. And what is this? Greed and hope? That's emotion. Remember, when you're into stock market, avoid emotion as much as you can. So, number 5 is they listen to the group, to the noise in the stock market. You know, when people listen to the noise, alam nyo dito lalo na sa social media, people listening too much sa social media na kapag sinabi ng isang guro na buy this, aangat to, people don't have time to analyze the stocks. And I will be honest with you, I listen to them. Minsan, not because I buy immediately. When there's some trading stock at maingay siya sa social media, what I did, tinitignan ko ang technicals niya, tinitignan ko if it's had a good fundamental. Or sometimes, what is the reason I will buy this one? What is my indicator? Is this the moving average? Is the momentum good? The price action is may sinasabi na ba? So you need to do those analysis. And lastly, the 6 is people quit. Kahit minsan nalulugi ka, don't quit. Because this is stock market. Sabi nga, in the most of the investment, stock market, in the long perspective, in the long term, na outperform niya na yung ibang investment. So, you must learn. Although you will lose sometimes, but you need to learn from these losses. So, kailangan kung natuto ka, you must analyze bakit ka nalugi. Anong ginamit mong indicator? Nag-plan ka ba talaga? Nagkaroon ka ba ng trading plan? So, you must understand each logic, each failure as a message for you. And guys, hindi perfecto ang stock market. Another advice that I can give you before going into stock market, make sure you have an intact emergency fund. You have, kung hindi ka pa naman talaga expert, you have other source of income. Because when pandemics, when crisis come, that's the best time to buy. Pero paano ka magbabuy kung wala ka naman pera? Diba? So during crisis is always a opportunity. You may lose some, but you may also earn much. You gain, you lose some, you earn, you gain much. So ganun ang laro sa stock market. Sometimes you're high, sometimes it's low, but in the long perspective, it's all high and must reach your potential, your target price. So, yun lang guys. I hope you learn in this video, at kung may natutunan ka, please, I encourage you to hit that like button, subscribe ka dito, at marami pa akong mga ituturo sa inyo. So guys, once again, this is Bern para sa panibagong episode nito. And see you until next video. God bless you guys.